everyone, I'm going to show you how to pin website apps to Taskbar. So let's say, for example, we want to install Google Drive as an app to our PC. So what you need to do is to open Google Drive and click the three dots at the top right. Then look for Cast, Save, and Share. And you should see Install Google Drive in here. Just click on that and click Install to confirm the action. Now, once installed, go ahead and open it. Now from here, so at the bottom in the taskbar, so right click on Google Drive right here and click Pin to Taskbar. And that's it, super simple. You can also click the three dots right here. If you open Google Drive, you can see the three dots, just click on that and you should see Pin to Taskbar option in here. If you can't see it, just go to the bottom, then right click the logo and click Pin to Taskbar. Now, if you want to unpin it, just right click on it again and click Unpin from Taskbar. So let's say, for example, Claude right here. So let's say we want to pin this. So just right click on it and click Pin to Taskbar. If you want to unpin it, right click again and click Unpin from Taskbar. And that's basically it, super simple. Thank you for watching.